Right guys, EdShed progress report. Yeah, a little bit. It's I don't know. It's a Monday morning. Putting out some of these so we know get the hump down. We got really quite far on Saturday, and then it got really bad. So we just was just struggling. What was I going to say? So progress report. Cleaned up more of that. All the holes are welded up, so all they're done. All the welded up, top, bottoms, everything apart from two on that B post to the side, which I couldn't reach. Got to get the door shutter faces cleaned out because it's flaking back to the grey. It's not keyed on this green at all, so that's got to be done. Found some spats. Look, see that? See that? So got some cube spats. They fit nicely, so they're going to go on. They just want scotch off and painting. And what I'm doing now, I'll just show you a quick tour of what I've actually been doing. Now, I don't do bodywork, but if I have to, I've got to take this down because I'm obviously altering the grill. So there's a few things there that are going to be sort of tricky, but not much. Now the problem is this stuff, it's like bitumen. I mean, I've never seen nothing like it. This stuff is like horrendous. So I'm sort of struggling with some of it. It's like glue, they chucked like glue on there and covered over. So I've got to get the rest of that off, which is obviously on the cards, but I'm running out of sand. Well, the reason I'm running out of sand is because we had a few issues, and for Mark II people, you may know this, you may not. On your bonnets, you have a stop, right? You've got to stop, and there it is. Look, see that stop? See that? That's to stop it going back too far. So in other words, when it flies up, if that stop ain't there, the bonnet goes up twisted, and then because it's up there, it comes down twisted. So we've got to repair that, get that working again, which we've done. So that was that. What else have I done? I've done a few other things, but nothing major anything. Fired up the old clock shop after, really useful bit of kit, because I've had to clean the louvers. Now, as you knew, the louvers were covered in, I don't know what you call that, bitumen or something. So I managed to get that off. I've got back quite good, but this is still sticky as bugger, and even my blaster with full power is not taking it off. So I'm going to give it a couple more goes, and then I think it's going to have to be possibly rust killed. And the other hinge, as you say, didn't need repair, so the other hinge was blasted clean. You know that lovely tent I bought that leaks like a sieve? Well, I've decided I'm going to use it for a sensible purpose. Now, obviously, it's brilliant. It's got a zip. Ta-da! It's going to be my spray shop. I'm going to pipe some air from my other compressor in, and obviously I'm going to prime all the things, well obviously not the things you see, because everything I'm priming is hidden underneath, because obviously the rain drips. So these are going to get primed on the inside, and obviously any overspray is going to be good. Find another E-type. I won't go into that one, but I did find, I've got another one somewhere here. So I don't think I want to put another E-type together, guys. I really don't. And as I said, that is going to be my spray shop, and I think that should be alright. I think, as you can see up here, the patches where the water just runs through. I think it'd be alright if I had a tarpaulin over it, but it's going to be used as a spray shop, and then I think possibly it's coming down. More like Jurassic Park than Jurassic Paint Shop, isn't it? Anyway. So anyway, that's my truck for today. There you go. Paint shop, spray shop, and all I can say is, remember, be eco-friendly. If you can, ride one of those. If you can't, get a car. Talk to you soon. Bye.